ladies and gentlemen, I have pleasure in welcoming you to this 29th annual journal meeting of our company. Full stop. As you would have observed, comma, this meeting has been convened for your approval and adoption of the accounts of the company for the 6 months period ended March 31st, 1991, following the decision by your directors to change the financial year of the company to end on March 31st instead of September 30. Full stop. The previous financial year's accounts for the year ended September 30, 1990 had been approved by you at the annual journal meeting held in February this year. Full stop. The shareholders, I am sure, will be extremely pleased at the financial results of the company for the 6 months period, keeping up the excellent performance of the previous year, which saw the company back on the dividend list. Full stop. During the current period, a net profit of rupees 8.64 crores has been earned. Full stop. In addition, a profit of rupees 36.29 crores was realized on the sale of the cement undertaking. Full stop. Your directors accordingly recommend a dividend of 23% or rupees 2.30 per share for the 6 months period compared to rupees 2 per share declared for the previous year. Full stop. The fertilizer plant has continued to perform admirably, achieving a high level of production during the 6 months period. Full stop. The company have embarked on the implementation of certain bottlenecks schemes for its complex and philosophic acid plants aimed at achieving still higher levels of production. Full stop. Studies for modernization of the urea and ammonia plants are also being commissioned, while the report of the consultants for the sulfuric acid plant is already achieved and is being considered. Full stop.